Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. One of the things that I do with the Steady Trader members every single day, actually, and certainly every week, is we go through and we look at the different sectors in equities and see which ones in general are looking good or looking like they can give us some relative strength, which ones are oversold, and just kind of generally get a feel for what's potentially going to work for the next, say, 1 to 2 weeks or so, which then basically guides us to where we need to look for single name stocks as well. What's come up on the radar here recently, some of these steel stocks. So look at, for example, United States Steel, ticker symbol X, has given us some interesting play here as of late. If you look at the chart itself, and you'll see that we've had a very, very steep drop here, literally off a cliff since last November, and the all-time high there was or the recent high was in November. But then it steadily started to kind of bottom out, and what we're seeing now is this relative strength play where U.S. Steel is actually breaking out of a consolidation phase that it had over the past few days. And that's also something we're seeing in other areas of this market. For example, let's see, where's this thing that I'm looking for? For example, in a stock like WOR, okay, these are all stocks in that kind of area. Oopsie. And you'll see here too a very, very nice formation, a very nice V-shaped bottom, and the stock is now basically at a point where it wants to break higher. So this starts with a very straightforward analysis that is not nervous. There's no crazy intraday stuff to this. We follow the sectors, see what they do, which will eventually give us an indication whether it's going to be relative strength or relative weakness to come in the near future. And then we look for single name stocks in that area. And again, WR is an interesting one here on the long side as well, just like US Steel, which is making a good move. Even something like Reliance Steel, this is ticker symbol RS, is giving us a very similar type of move. You can see the stock has kind of failed to break lower here as of late, and it's giving us a little bit of hope here that it may actually be able to break higher in the near future. You can see that is sort of exhaustion selling down here, and we're now looking like maybe able to push higher. So again, very straightforward analysis. This business does not have to be complicated nor hectic. The way I manage money is definitely something that anyone from people with full-time jobs, part-time jobs, retired people, semi-retired people, athletes, a lot of folks that follow Steady Trader fall in just about any category, and they all can do it because it's not a very hectic intraday trading type of way, and we make good returns. So I hope this made sense, guys. Head on over to thesteadytrader.com, check out what we're all about. Otherwise, if you got any questions for me, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.